Hello guys, you are welcome back to this channel once again. Today I'm going to be washing this fry pan with hydrogen peroxide and see if it will work out. I wanted to throw this away, but somebody told me that they use hydrogen peroxide to wash this, so I want to try it out. So let's see the outcome of it. And you pour your salt and apple cider vinegar with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. So guys, let's see if this will work out. If this work out, I'm so going to be happy. So guys, after pouring it, I pour my baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, as you can see. Okay, so after that, this is apple cider vinegar, the white one. So I just pour it all over, and I'll pour the hydrogen peroxide too. So you just use it to wash it this way. I leave it for some minutes. After leaving it for some minutes, I have to take the sponge, the hard sponge, to use it to sponge it around this way. I've been sponging it around this way. So I pour hydrogen peroxide, spray hydrogen peroxide on it. So I keep on washing it the way I was taught. So I pray this work out. So let's see guys. It's like it. So I have to spray hydrogen peroxide again on it. This is hydrogen peroxide. I have to spray it on it again in order to make it come out very well. So that is it. So finally we are done with it. This is the final part. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's okay. For the results, it's okay. You can try it out. Maybe I will still soak it, but for now this is the results that it brings out. So try it out and it's good. Try it out, maybe it will work out for you. It's very good. Hydrogen peroxide is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.